Good everyone, you're welcome to this video. To my new and new subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your audio to an echo audio. Alright, how you can make your audio to add this echo effect. Alright, this is very simple. We have been seeing this in a movie, on Facebook, on TikTok. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add an echo effect to your sound or to your audio. Right, so without wasting much of our time, let's head over to CapCut. So now here on CapCut, just add your video. I have this, I'm going to be using this as an example. Alright, so I have this song here. Alright, so let me just split it so that you will understand the difference. Alright, first of all, let me just split it. Now let me split it from here, go back to split. Now I have this here. Alright, I also have this here. So what I'm going to do is, you see this one, I'm going to go over to audio effect. Can you see audio effect? Select audio effect. Now under this voice filter, you're going to see echo, make all. We have different voice filter here. We have different voice filter here. Alright, but the one we are here to work on is the echo. Alright, so all you just need to do is to select echo. Alright, now before you select this echo, let's go back. I want you to play this sound so that you listen to the audio.
If you know my story,
can you see this voice is really clear, the sound audio is really clear, but let's add echo and you see the difference. Go back to audio effect. Now under this audio effect, select echo.
If you know my story,
can you see? Now tap on this echo again. Here you have the chance to edit, to change the quality, to edit the quantity and the strength. Right, now you can decide to drag it back.
If you know my story,
can you see that there is difference? Now you can also drag it forward again or drag it to 100.
If you know my story,
can you see? So now you have the grace to edit, to adjust this echo effect. All right, so all you just need to do, let's leave it at 70 or 75.
If you know my story,
let's bring it to 70.
If you know my story,
so you can decide to increase the quantity.
If you know my story,
so you can leave it like that. All right, it depends on how you want it to be. So you have it like this.
If you know my story, make you know envy my glory.
Okay, now so now this is how to add your echo effect to an audio. All right, now let's assume you want to add an echo effect to a video. All right, we have a video that carries both the audio and the video. All right, so now this is what I'm going to, let's just add a video. Let's come over to this plus, let's add any video. Okay, let's add this one. Okay, can you see now? Now this is the video. Now if you want to add an echo effect to it, all you just need to do is to split that part that you want to add the echo effect to. Let's assume I want to add it to this middle, split. So let's assume I want to add it to this place. All you just need to do is to scroll to one side, look for audio effect. Can you see? This is it. Now select it and select echo.
You know envy my glory.
We're going to have it like this.
Make you know envy my glory.
So it is very, very simple. Very, very simple. So this is how to add an echo effect to your video. This is how to edit or add an echo audio effect to your sound or to your audio. You understand? So any part of your video that you want, any part of your audio or your video that you want to add the sound, the echo effect, all you just need to do is to split that part, separate that part, and what? Add the effect to it. So you are good to go. So once you are done, just come over here, increase your resolution to 1080p and export your video. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video. If you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to my channel, because you are going to be getting a lot of values from my channel. Alright, don't forget to click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video tutorials, you'll be the first person to be notified. Please, I have a lot of tutorials on my channel. Please try to go through them so that you'll be able to perfect CapCut on how to edit videos professionally. Alright, thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.